Everyone's chasing Hondas and Toyotas, while these 7 Chevrolets sit ignored on used car lots, quietly rusting into legendary deals. Stick around, because number one on this list is a car your neighbor probably drives every single day and has no idea it's worth thousands more than they paid. Let's count down the most overlooked Chevrolet Goldmines from 2008 to 2014. Number 7. Chevrolet HHR, 2008 to 2011. Let's kick things off with a car that looks like it drove straight out of 1949, the Chevrolet HHR. People laugh at its retro styling, call it a grocery getter, and move on. But that's exactly why it's a goldmine. Under the hood, the HHR shares its bones with the Chevy Cobalt, meaning parts are dirt cheap and mechanics everywhere know how to fix it blindfolded. The 2.2 and 2.4-liter Ecotec engines are simple, naturally aspirated, and built to survive well past 200,000 miles with basic maintenance. Cargo space is where this thing shines. That boxy shape isn't just for looks. It swallows more gear than half the SUVs on this list. Fuel economy sits comfortably in the low 30s on the highway, which is shocking for a car this size. And because nobody's chasing them, you can find clean, low-mileage HHRs for under $3,000 all day long. Insurance is cheap. Repairs are cheap. Even the SS Turbo version, which nobody talks about, delivers real performance for pocket change compared to a Mustang or Civic C. This is the ultimate sleeper utility pick. Ugly duckling on the outside, absolute workhorse on the inside. But the next car on our list is even more slept on, and it might just be the most underrated commuter Chevy ever built. Let's keep going. Number 6. Chevrolet Cobalt, 2008 to 2010. Say the word Cobalt to most car shoppers and watch them wince. It's got a reputation problem thanks to old recall headlines. But here's what nobody tells you. Those issues were fixed, the recalls were completed, and today's surviving Cobalts are some of the cheapest reliable commuter cars in existence. This little sedan and coupe were built on GM's Delta platform, the same bones underneath the Saturn Ion, and they're simple, lightweight, and easy to maintain. The base 2.2-liter Ecotec sips gas, often delivering mid-30s on the highway, which rivals cars twice its price today. Parts are everywhere because GM built millions of these, so junkyards and auto parts stores are stocked deep. The SS trim, especially the turbocharged supercharged version, is a straight-up sleeper, quick, fun to drive, and criminally underpriced on the used market simply because of the nameplate's bad reputation. Clean examples regularly sell for under $2,000, sometimes less. That's insane value for a car that can still comfortably handle daily highway commuting. Interior quality isn't luxurious, sure, but it's functional, and aftermarket support for the Ecotec engine is massive if you ever want to upgrade. This is a car people avoid out of fear, not facts. And that fear is exactly what keeps the price criminally low for anyone smart enough to look past the headlines. But our next pick might be the most forgotten Chevy of the entire 2010s. You won't believe how cheap these still are. Number 5. Chevrolet Aveo, 2008 to 2011. If there's one car on this list that people actively pretend doesn't exist, it's the Chevrolet Aveo. It's small, it's basic, and it doesn't turn heads, which is precisely why it's a hidden gold mine for anyone who just needs reliable, cheap transportation. The Aveo was built as an economy car through and through, with a simple 1.6-liter engine that sips fuel and rarely throws expensive problems. Because it's so basic mechanically, repairs are shockingly affordable. No turbochargers, no complicated electronics, just straightforward components that any independent shop can service without charging a fortune. Fuel economy regularly hits the high 30s on the highway, making it one of the cheapest cars to actually own and operate on this entire list. You can find running, driving examples for under $1,500, sometimes even less if you're patient and shop locally. It's a fantastic first car, an unbeatable backup vehicle, or a perfect beater for high-mileage commuting without financial stress. Yes, the interior is basic, acceleration is modest, and it won't win any beauty contests. But for buyers who prioritize low cost of ownership over style, the Aveo delivers exactly what it promises without drama. Insurance costs are minimal, taxes are minimal, and depreciation has already bottomed out completely. There's nowhere left for this car's value to fall. But the next Chevy on our list trades economy for something totally different. Full-size comfort at a price that will genuinely shock you. Number 4. Chevrolet Impala, 2008 to 2013. Now we're stepping into full-size territory with the Chevrolet Impala, a car most people associate with rental fleets and taxi services. And that reputation is exactly why it's such an incredible deal today. These Impalas were built like tanks, using GM's proven W-body platform with a 3.5 or 3.9-liter V6 engine that's famous for reaching 200,000 miles with basic oil changes and nothing else. Because so many were used commercially, they were maintained religiously, meaning many surviving examples on the used market have detailed service records and were never abused. Interior space is enormous, with a cavernous back seat and trunk that outclasses cars costing twice as much. Ride quality is soft, smooth, and genuinely comfortable for long highway trips, something modern economy cars simply can't replicate. Because the styling reads as boring to younger buyers, demand stays artificially low, which keeps prices absurdly affordable. Clean examples with reasonable mileage often sell for under $4,000. Parts availability is fantastic since GM produced these by the millions, and mechanics across the country know this platform inside and out. It's the perfect car for buyers who want space, comfort, and reliability without any flashy badge or price tag attached. This is the definition of a sleeper family sedan. But up next, we're getting into SUV territory, and this next pick might be the single most practical vehicle on this entire list for growing families on a budget. Number 3. Chevrolet Equinox, 2010 to 2014. Here's a vehicle that quietly became one of the most practical family SUVs of its era, yet almost nobody puts it on their shopping list: the Chevrolet Equinox. This generation completely reinvented the nameplate with sharper styling, a genuinely spacious cabin, and a rear seat that slides forward and backward to prioritize either cargo room or legroom, depending on what your day requires. The four-cylinder Ecotec engine delivers surprisingly strong fuel economy for a compact SUV, often landing in the low 30s on the highway, while the optional V6 offers real towing capability for buyers who need extra muscle. Because the Equinox competed directly against the Honda CR-V and Toyota RAV4, it constantly gets overlooked despite offering comparable interior space and often a lower purchase price on the used market. Reliability, when properly maintained with regular oil changes, is genuinely solid, and parts costs remain far cheaper than its Japanese rivals thanks to GM's massive production numbers. You can regularly find well-kept examples with reasonable mileage for under $6,000, which is remarkable value for a vehicle this size and this practical. Safety ratings were strong for its era, cargo space rivals larger SUVs, and the ride quality is comfortable for long family road trips. This is the definition of an unsung family hauler, quietly capable, consistently ignored. But our next pick brings serious performance heritage to this list, and its price will absolutely stun you. Let's keep counting down. Number 2. Chevrolet Camaro, 2010 to 2014. Yes, you read that right. The Chevrolet Camaro belongs on a list of cheap goldmine cars, and once you hear why, it'll make complete sense. When this generation launched, it reignited the entire muscle car war against the Mustang, delivering aggressive retro styling paired with modern chassis engineering and genuinely serious performance numbers. The base V6 models, often ignored by muscle car purists chasing the V8, actually produce solid horsepower figures while returning surprisingly reasonable fuel economy for daily driving. Because everyone wants the V8 SS model, base V6 Camaros sit forgotten on used lots, allowing patient buyers to snag a genuinely head-turning sports coupe for the price of a boring economy sedan. Even the SS trim, with its powerful V8 engine, has depreciated heavily compared to its original sticker price, making it shockingly attainable today for buyers willing to shop patiently. Build quality on this generation was notably improved compared to previous Camaro attempts, and the aftermarket support is massive if you ever want to upgrade performance down the road. Insurance can run higher depending on trim and engine, so that's worth researching before buying, but the sheer value proposition here is undeniable. You're getting genuine muscle car presence, aggressive styling that still turns heads today, and real performance credentials, all for used economy car money. This is proof that image and reputation don't always match real-world pricing. But our number one pick might be the most surprising entry on this entire list. Here it is. Number 1. Chevrolet Malibu, 2008 to 2012. And here it is. The car everyone overlooks precisely because it does everything right without ever shouting about it. The Chevrolet Malibu. This generation was a genuine turning point for Chevrolet, featuring dramatically improved interior quality, refined styling, and a smooth, confident ride that finally competed seriously against the Camry and Accord. The four-cylinder engine delivers excellent fuel economy for daily commuting, while the available V6 provides genuinely strong performance for buyers who want more punch without stepping up to a larger vehicle. Because midsize sedans get constantly overshadowed by SUV hype in today's market, Malibus sit ignored on used lots despite offering comfort, safety, and reliability that rivals cars costing significantly more. Reliability data for this generation is strong when basic maintenance is followed, and repair costs remain reasonable thanks to widespread parts availability across the country. Resale value has already bottomed out completely, meaning depreciation risk is essentially gone for anyone buying used today. You can regularly find clean, well-maintained examples for shockingly low prices, often less than half of what a comparable Camry or Accord commands for similar mileage and condition. This is a car built for buyers who want comfort, safety, and dependability without paying a premium for a badge. It's proof that the most overlooked cars are often the smartest purchases. And that wraps up our list. Number 1. Hiding in plain sight the entire time. Which of these 7 hidden Chevrolet Goldmines surprised you the most? Drop your pick in the comments. Hit subscribe for more overlooked car gems, and I'll see you in the next video.